How to create a thank you page using System.io. First, open up the System.io webpage. You can follow along by clicking the link in the description box below. Once on the page, simply click on the Get My Free Account button and register using your email. Now that you're in, let's navigate to the Funnels menu. From here, select the funnels that you've created. If you haven't created one yet, no worries. Just check out the link in the description to the video we've made on how to create a landing page. Having selected your funnels, now click on the Thank You page on the left side of your screen. You're about to design a landing page for your audience that rewards and reflects their engagement. The next decision to make is selecting a template design that suits you. You can preview each template by clicking the Preview Template button. Once you've found one to your liking, click Select to cement your choice. Now, it's time to let your creativity flow. Click on the Edit Page button and start morphing the page to fit your vision. Change the heading, tweak the body, and stylize the buttons. You have a wide range of elements to play around with, so don't hold back. Done with all adjustments? Then go ahead and hit the Save Changes button. It's located on the top right corner of your screen.